Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay May 10, 2026 Sunday. At ito po mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong May 10, 2026 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Sunday, May 10, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for May 10, 2026 Sunday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, May 10, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of May 10, 2026 Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.